Hey everybody, this is Robert from Jeep DIY Help. Just coming at you, just giving you some updates on what's going on. Of course, the Heathen's been going to some car shows, and guess what? We're going to be working on Liberty. Oh yeah, the LIBBY, 2003 Jeep LIBBY Sport. We're going to be doing some body work here. We're going to be getting some new wheels, some new tires, new bumper. Oh yeah, it's going to be a blast. Of course, we're going to be using a couple different companies. We're going to be using Mammoth Motorsports. We're going to be using all kinds of different stuff. We're going to probably keep the Discovery Cooper Discoveries on them. The RTXs, those are fairly new tires on them. It has a 3.7 liter engine. It's already been rebuilt. So we're also going to be using a lot of stuff from Hi-Fi Motorsports. I want to give a big thanks in advance to Hi-Fi Motorsports for helping out, and of course Mammoth Motorsports. So keep in touch. We're going to start doing some videos. I do know we're going to be doing some brakes, rotors, hub assembly. We're going to do some body work, Bondo work, and I think we're going to also have to do some work on the rear windows. The motors are bad. It is a common thing for first gens of the Jeep Liberties. The valves are working great. I know that's another common issue with the Jeep Liberties. So I just wanted to give you an update on what's going on here. The Heathen is doing great, excellent. It's dirty, of course, because we've been playing. Just remember, BRCC, Black Rifle Coffee Company. Love their coffee. I love their coffee. It's awesome coffee. But anyways, just want to say hello and how everybody's doing. Jeeping for the Second. Check them out. They're on Facebook as well as Jeep DIY Help. Like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, subscribe for more content. We'll be also replacing, of course, the winch hitch, because, you know, it happens when you use it a lot to pull people out. We're going to be getting some new lights, some floodlights from Hi-Fi Motorsports. We're going to be putting the ditch lights over there on the side. So, just wanted to give you guys an update. You guys have a great one. Peace!